welcome to our MOREROOM sintering stone production base.
Добрый день, Софья. Очень рада с вами познакомиться и наконец-то посетить вашу фабрику.
Hi Sophie, this is Gala, and we've been looking forward for a long time to visiting your factory.
Как только в Китае эпидемическая ситуация наладилась, то я очень рада, что вы сразу же организовали посещение вашей фабрики, что не пришлось нам ждать долгое время.
And we're very happy because now the epidemic policy has changed, so you invite us to visit your factory immediately. We really like your confidence and openness.
Да, спасибо большое.
You know, as the demonstration of the production base of the sintering stone in China, we are almost visited and by the customers from the foreign and the domestic almost every week. And you know, we want our customers to know more about the production of our products, and they can understand the real production environment. In this way, we can better to let our customers know that we have a very strict requirements on our products, and also we have the advanced production equipments. And in the meanwhile, we are also concerned about the safety of our production environment and the personnel. Let's take a seat.
Oh, okay, good.
So Gala, we have the fruits and we have the candies, you can enjoy it. And here is the certifications of our factory and our products. You can have a look. So let's start with our factory tour now.
Хорошо, давайте пойдем.
Okay, let's go. Gala, this is the production base of the sintering stone in MOREROOM factory. So as you can see, it's covering more than 500 square meters and it's including 6 complete production lines here. And the daily output including 80,000 square meters, and it can achieve the full specifications and the full thickness production and the supply capacity.
Софья, честно говоря, я очень приятно удивлена и поражена масштабами завода MOREROOM Stone. Мы были на многих маленьких фабриках, но нигде нет такой чистоты, организованности и профессионального оборудования.
Yeah, indeed, these are still very profound to us, and the scale is far away from the small factories can achieve. And what surprised us most about MOREROOM factory is that it's really clean and modern.
Yes.
Yeah, different from the factories we've visited before.
As for the crane lines and the modelization, it's because we have been established the high automation concept of the Industry 4.0 since the establishment of our factory. And for the 6S standard, which is strongly advocated and already strongly supported by the government. Taking these robotic arms introduced by modern, intelligent, and unmanned production management concepts as an example, they can well improve our production efficiency and the quality stability of production products.
Софья, для нас очень важна такая вот ваша концепция, что вы уделяете большое внимание качеству, стабильности производства. При выборе поставщиков мы прежде всего обращаем внимание именно на эти качества. Ну и, конечно же, на то, чтобы товар был всегда доставлен вовремя.
Thank you for your information. I believe with all this introduction of the advanced equipments and all the subsequent upgrades, and our competitive for the future in this field will be further improved.
А что это за оборудование?
What is the equipment?
This is the backnet production facilities of the sintering stone. There are only 5 factories with the backnet production lines in China, and we are one of them. So for here, this is one of our steps to keep the pace of the world. The banner can further improve the machining physical properties of the sintering stone, and it can reduce the damage of the cutting and the handling and the processing and the transportation and use. So in addition, with the banner materials, we can do more performance and the cutting for this sintering stone material.
Да, я вспомнила. Вы присылали нам ранее эти образцы, и мы действительно были удивлены качеством и отдавали их на экспертизу. И экспертиза прошла успешно и показала отличное качество продукции. О, Софи, это же Сакми, тот известный пресс, на котором работают все известные европейские производители.
This is Baron and our technical director.
Now I will introduce you guys our Sakmi press machine. It do 10,000 of tons of output pressure in bringing 450 kilogram per square centimeter pressure. Has a direct impact on many properties of moron center stone, such as hardness, toughness, impermeability, bending resistance, etc. In order to achieve the best effect of our center stone, and we also introduce the system press machine. MOREROOM is the only manufacturer in China at Sakmi and system press machine, and I will show you later.
Move forward to our inkjet equipment, which also imported from the Italian system brand.
With up to 400 dpi, and it can show every detail of our original design of our MOREROOM. And this system inject equipment with up to 60 inject channels bring a more delicate, wider color garment and for its high color rendering ability.
Софи, я сейчас поняла, что такое систем оборудование. Оно делает спеченный камень MOREROOM Stone настолько реалистичной картинкой, передает полностью все краски. Посмотрите, это, наверное, технология Air Power Printer. Может быть, вы расскажете мне о нем, чем он интересен?
As you know, Gala, our slabs are the layers of the material to stack on each other. So it is a big challenge for us to make sure each of the materials is stacked on each other. So therefore, we introduce and invested on the introduction of the air power from the German. High-pressure graze spraying equipment can well solve the problem of uniformity and apply graze accurately.
The three sides of air power correspond to the bottom glaze and protective glaze and also the dry grain. The bottom glaze brings bad color attachment. The dry grain brings a more three-dimensional natural appearance. And the protective glaze brings better wear resistance and surf hardness of the center stone. For high-quality slabs, the three layers are not easily accessible.
In addition, I may not have told you before, one of our shareholders is the general agent of the air power in China.
Софи, это так чудесно, целых 3 Air Power на одной производственной линии. Софи, а это что за длиннющее оборудование?
Yes, this is a jumbo high-end digital temperature control kiln equipment. It's very good to avoid the leakage of the kiln temperature and save a lot of the energy. Through the unit at 1,140 Celsius temperature in the industry, top kiln lines in China with a total length of 310 meters. After 90 minutes of a long calcination, the temperature inside and outside the slab is more stable.
Brings higher ink color rendering, glass stability, and the consistency of the physical properties of the center stone.
Я вижу, что MOREROOM Stone уделяет большое значение изысканиям. То есть путем проб и ошибок добилась такого высочайшего качества.
Gala, so I hope today's factory inspection can deepen your trust in MOREROOM and lay a solid foundation that in the cooperation in long-term business in the future.
Well, we noticed that MOREROOM has expanded and modernized the factory very well with many investments and years of calculation. Yeah, and we believe that according to the production and the research and development, they are the key to the brand standing and leading the industry.
Я помню, раньше, когда говорили о заводах, фабриках, это всегда ассоциировалось с шумом, с гамом, с грязью, с машинным маслом.
Yeah, we've talked the other factories before. They are filled with dust, all kinds of oil and machine noise.
Да, конечно, посещение сегодня завода MOREROOM произвело на меня глубокое впечатление. 500 тысяч квадратных метров производственных площадей и 6 производственных линий, на которых может в день производиться до 80 квадратных метров продукции. Чистота и технологичность.
Besides what my boss said, we found that MOREROOM has followed the standards of Industry 4.0 and further implement the management of equipment interconnection, information transparency, technology sharing, and the decentralized decision-making, and the ISO 9001 quality management system and the ISO 14001 environmental management system are also very reassuring.
Thank you very much for your recognition. That's also our original intention for establishing the national demonstration for the sintered stone production base. In the meanwhile, we want to let more customers to know more about us. So today, welcome to our modern stone production base, and thank you for your time.
Спасибо большое. Я тоже была очень рада познакомиться. Надеюсь, не последний раз встречаемся.
It's a really nice visit. Thank you.
Thank you.